A terrifying situation unfolds at a grow farm after a lawyer says his clients were threatened by an armed group claiming to be state investigators.
They were not, but they are now suspects in a criminal investigation. News 9's Ashley Holden has the disturbing details of our top story.
We're told this group showed up with a fake search warrant and guns, saying they were there to execute a raid. The local attorney that I spoke with called the situation intense and frightening.
They had actual guns, fake badges, fake Oklahoma Highway Patrol jackets. They were dressed in Halloween masks.
All of this can be seen in pictures taken by Donald Guy's client, whose marijuana grow farm is in Seminole County. She called her attorney Monday when the group showed up.
While I was on the phone with her, we kind of both discovered that maybe these weren't cops or authorities after all.
His client was able to show her paperwork and tell the group they were at the wrong place. But Guy says this wasn't their first stop.
Unfortunately, over the past weekend, they hit a nearby farm in Hughes County where unfortunately someone lost their life in that incident. So they moved on to my clients, and then they moved on down the street as well, where they were able to apprehend those individuals.
Guy says someone at the first location had a medical episode, but we have not been able to confirm that information or how many farms are involved with law enforcement. Mark Woodward with the Oklahoma Bureau of Narcotics was able to tell us the group took equipment and even product from at least one location.
Because a lot of these people who are working on these farms don't speak English. They're not familiar with Oklahoma. They're not familiar with Oklahoma law enforcement agencies or the uniforms they wear, and so oftentimes they will just comply, and that's what the criminals are counting on.
Woodward says they think the stops are connected and were carried out by at least some of the same people.
And there is at least one person in custody, and we do anticipate that the rest of them will be in custody very, very soon.
In a statement from the local DA, Paul Smith, it says they're working on more search and arrest warrants, and they anticipate more information could be released on Friday. In Oklahoma City, Ashley Holden, Oklahoma's Own News 9.
We'll be following